Hi everyone, I am Megan HK. I have secured an All India rank of 5 in NEET UG 2021. We all know that syllabus completion and repeated revisions are a must for any exam. But the make or break for any exam is the exam day itself. The exam day strategy and the paper attempting strategy form the title of the whole journey book of NEET. So today, I am here with you all guys to share my strategies and help you face NEET. I am going to share things which I thought right of and things which didn't work well for me. So, are you ready to get started? Let's rewind to the exam day. The night before the exam day. मेरा नाइट काफ़ी यूनिक था. वी हैड अ यूनिक सेलिब्रेशन टाइप. वी हैड अ ब्लेसिंग सेरेमनी. उसमें क्या हुआ था, सारे टीचर्स जिन्होंने हमें पढ़ाया था, द होल 2.5 years, दे वर ऑल इन अ सिंगल मीटिंग and we were blessed with a lot of love, and they gave us nicknames indeed with love, and we were actually on the 7th cloud. Felt that हम अकेले नहीं जा रहे थे एग्जाम सेंटर में. We were going with a lot of hopes and love with our teachers, so that actually was a very good motivation factor for us. और दूसरा चीज़ family. My family never let it be special for me, so everything was normal and they ensured it I was normal on that day. Or I had a lot of friends, or I talked to all of them, wished them good luck, and that also gave me a good feeling. और एक मतलब पढ़ाई का related बोलूँ तो I had a book called as the Last Day book. So during the times of my revision, I used to list out things which I had to see on the last day. Examples like genetic code और कुछ semiconductors का exemplars में मुझे कुछ MCQs रिवाइज करना था, और chemistry में क्वालिटेटिव एनालिसिस देखना था. तो ऐसे सो दैट आई डोंट गेट एंग्रियस अबाउट एनीथिंग ऑन द लास्ट डे, आई हैड अ बुक मेंटेन कॉल्ड एज द लास्ट डे बुक. और द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच आई थिंक आई डिड वाज I just sat for a while and I recollected all the mistakes I had done during my previous exams. So starting from NTSE stage 2, तो NTSE stage 2 में पहला चीज़ I hadn't revised the things structured in a structured way, so I was very low in confidence. और मैंने पहला mistake ये किया था कि I started discussing social with my friends present at the exam hall. So this is the gravest mistake I did. और second thing was I had given a lot of mock tests, but social science करने में मुझे 20 मिनट लगता था, लेकिन exam hall में I took a lot of questions to ego, and to solve 40 questions I took around 40 to 45 minutes. That was a very grave mistake I had done. और ये था NTSE stage 2 का कहानी. और KVPMI में क्या हुआ था, I was very crystal clear about the concept, but language थोड़ा confusing था. तो 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन ऐसे था और मैं 2 ऑप्शंस में कंफ्यूज हुआ था. तो आई हैड लेफ्ट इट फॉर रिविजन, बट दीज 3 to 4 क्वेश्चन एक्सपैंडेड द होल लॉट ऑफ टाइम लेफ्ट फॉर रिविजन. सो ये गलती मुझे अवॉइड करना था. और एक और लास्ट एग्जाम इनबो को भी मैंने आई स्टार्टेड रिकलेक्टिंग इट. सो HBCSE कंडक्ट कर रहा था इनबो को. So there is a trend that in 2 hours, 300 marks, the paper is for 300 marks. So the main deciding factor becomes your speed rather than accuracy, and the paper is tough. But इस बार क्या हुआ था, कोविड का वजह से the paper was for 240 marks and the time was same, 2 hours, and the paper was easy too. So I had to make on spot changes. मतलब मुझे accuracy पे ज़्यादा focus करना था speed की जगह, लेकिन I didn't do that. Even if I knew it was for 240 marks, I just focused more on speed. So I completed my paper in 90 minutes and I just sat idle for 30 minutes, and that didn't give me a very good score which I was expecting. So when I actually reviewed all these mistakes, I got to know, I got a confidence that जितने गलती मुझे करना था वो सब तो मैंने कर लिया था. So there was nothing new I could make. So NEET was just a platform for me to improve myself and correct all the mistakes I've been doing all these years. So that was what NEET meant to me last night before. Morning, I generally followed my normal schedule. I sleep at 11 and wake up at 6. So I did the same. And one special thing which I did in the morning was I started my day with solving mental abilities or mathematics. This was because I didn't want my brain to be idle. So there are 2 schools of opinions on this day. One school says that just don't stress out your brain, and the other school says that just give some activity to your brain. So I prefer the second one. So this was what I did. And I had a habit of taking 2 meals before I went to the exam hall. So at 7:30 I had my breakfast that was too light, like idlis, and 11 o'clock I had my lunch, and I had a bit of my prayers, and the exam hall was very close. It was just a 10-minute drive, and I just left my house at 11:15, and I was there at the center by 11:25 or 11:30. Reaching the center. If your center is too far away, you can go and check about the whereabouts of the exam hall. And one common mistake which we usually did was there is like two types of photos to be carried to the exam hall. One is the 4x6 postcard photo, and other is the passport size photo. So most of us had missed the postcard photo. So please ensure that you have the postcard size photo, because you need to stick that to the hall ticket, and the passport size photo you need to stick it to the attendance sheet. And what happens is, once you reach the exam hall, there will be a queue of risking, and you will be let into the room. So you can do two things, like stay with your parents for till 12:30 and then enter the room. I didn't do that. I just walked into the exam hall, because the more I waited, the more longer would be the queue, and waiting in a queue would be anxious for anybody. So I just, as I reached my center, I stood in the queue and I just went inside my exam hall. So I was sitting in my exam hall at around 11:45. So 11:45 to 2 is actually the most anxious period. I again didn't want myself to be idle here. I just closed my eyes and visualized each and every minute of my exam, and I tried to visualize every teacher and every friend of mine and every whole journey, and this took around 40-45 minutes. And after that, I just went to the washroom, and I made sure that things are in place, and I just borrowed a water bottle from the invigilator, as water bottles are not allowed. We were handed over the question paper booklets at 1:40. What happened was, there was a question paper and a OMR together in a single polythene sheet. So we had to tear that polythene bag, and we had to take out a question paper and the OMR sheet. So the first thing we had to ensure was the code on the question paper had to match with the code on the OMR, और ये match कर रहे थे. और उसके बाद at 1:50 or 1:55, the invigilators tell you to copy all the particulars on the admit card onto the OMR. So we had to fill the roll number. This was an interesting case this year, because अपना कोचिंग में जो होता था OMR, उसमें 0 सबसे ऊपर आता था रोल नंबर में, लेकिन like it was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the OMR sheet, but in NTA's OMR it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So due to muscle memory, many of my friends, what they did, they've shaded their roll numbers wrong. तो 0 जो नीचे होता था, they've shaded above, so that like it has carried 1. तो उनका अभी मैनुअल एवेल्युएशन हुआ है और उनका रिजल्ट्स भी आ चुके हैं, लेकिन द अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस और एंग्जाइटी दे गॉट ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम ड्यू टू द फिलिंग ऑफ रोल नंबर्स इनकरेक्टली was an unbearable loss to them. So please ensure that you fill in the particulars into the OMR correctly, and after that the invigilator comes you for your signature at the start of the exam and the end of the exam, and you'll need to affix your passport size photo into the attendance sheet, and you'll need to sign on the OMR sheet also and on the attendance sheet also, and that's everything you need to do regarding the documentation of the exam hall. Paper attempting strategy. I actually started my paper with chemistry, so that because it was a good mixture of theory and problems in it, and I could develop more pace in that. So मेरा chemistry लगभग 25 minutes में ख़त्म हो चुका था. So after chemistry, I started botany, and botany took hardly around 10 minutes of time. So 35 minutes I was done with chemistry and botany, and I did my physics 25 questions after my botany. So 25 questions करने में around 25 minutes हो गया था. So by 1 hour of time I was left with zoology and a part of physics. So zoology भी it took around 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, 70 minutes of my time was gone, and then फिज़िक्स जो बचे 20 मिनट्स थे, उसमें जो 20 क्वेश्चंस बचे थे उनको 20 मिनट्स दिए. तो बाई 90 मिनट्स आई हैड कंप्लीटेड द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट ऑफ माई पेपर, और 90 मिनट्स के बाद आई हैड टू रिव्यू द होल लॉट ऑफ पेपर आई हैड. सो दिस वाज हाउ द टाइम वेंट फॉर मी. और OMR मैंने लास्ट में शेड किया था, और लास्ट का 20 मिनट उसमें यूज़ हो गए थे. And there are certain values we need to keep in mind while attempting the paper, or certain strategies. So the first basic thing is read all the 4 options given in the question paper, and please don't get into any of the tricks laid by the examiner. So if we see this particular question now, So the question number 62 in this particular set, it had nothing to do basically. It was just the frequency is given and the speed of light is given. So we had to find out lambda, which is nothing but speed of light divided by frequency. So if we observe, if we do the rough calculation, we'll get the answer as 219.xyz meter. XYZ meter. So if we observe all the significant figures given in the options, every option has 2192, 2192 and 2192. So it is very probable that one ticks 2192. और कुछ ऑप्शंस में, कुछ पेपर्स में ये भी हुआ था, 219.2 फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में था और 219.3 फोर्थ ऑप्शन में था. To everybody's shock, the answer was 219.3. So the whole three options were just a lure or just a trap. So कोई भी मतलब ट्रैप में फंसना नहीं है, कोई भी कभी भी लूर नहीं होना है. We must just stick to the basics and we must just read all the options. This was the first basic value I would like to share. और second value ये in questions you call it as like controversial questions. We need to go to the examiner's mind. So go to the setter. So what happened in question number 56 is, the question read, among the following alkaline earth metal halides, which one is covalent and soluble in organic solvents? If the question had been among the following metal halides, which one is covalent and soluble in organic solvents? The answer would be BeCl2. But we know NCERT states that beryllium is not a alkaline earth metal. So we were in a state of confusion. मेरा friends ने ये सोचा कि beryllium alkaline earth metal तो है नहीं, और they preferred with going with MgCl2. But MgCl2 का कोई reference नहीं है that it is soluble in organic solvents. So this was a controversial question. So what I did best was I just went into the setter. तो क्या होता कि NCERT में that beryllium is not an alkaline earth metal. This is written on the first page, and BeCl2 is soluble in organic solvents. This is written somewhere around the middle after 7 pages. तो मैंने ऐसे सोचा, the examiner just might have picked this question from the 7th page. He might not have given much importance to the data given in the first page. मेरे पास दो ऑप्शंस थे, या तो ये क्वेश्चन बोनस है, ये मान के कुछ भी आंसर कर देना, और दूसरा ऑप्शन ये था कि एग्जामिनर का माइंड में जाके एक्चुअली टू गेट द बेस्ट पॉसिबल आंसर. तो I trusted my intuition and I ticked BeCl2, and that was the correct answer. Third important value that I would like to highlight about is when you see any difficult question, जब कोई question difficult लगती है at the first sight, there is no need to worry in that, क्योंकि ये question 20 question देखे तो इसमें दिया है the electron concentration in n-type semiconductor and the hole concentration in p-type semiconductor is the same. So now find out the currents carried by them. इसका direct reference तो NCERT में नहीं है, तो दिस क्वेश्चंस लुक अ लॉट ऑफ टफ टू अस. तो हमें टफ क्वेश्चंस को डील करने में वी मस्ट राइट द बेसिक ऑफ द बेसिक नॉलेज वी हैव, वी मस्ट पुट इट ऑन टू पेपर. सो जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में है, द इंस्टेंट आई सी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, आई जस्ट राइट आउट करंट इज इक्वल टू NeVDA. Now N is the same, E is the same and A are the same for both electrons and holes. The thing that matters is drift velocity alone. And what are free electrons? What are holes? Holes, the movement of holes is just by the movement of bound electrons, and electrons by themselves are free. So the drift velocity of free electrons is more than the drift velocity of bound electrons. So I had a choice that current in N type is greater than the current in P type. This question might have looked tough at the first sight, but it is really easy. So ये था एक जो tough questions. Or you'll have to one more value is you'll need to study some questions in the board type of view. जैसे क्या होती है कि when we prepare for NEET, we actually try to pick out some important data and just forget the important lines. So this actually is a wrong way to study for NEET, क्योंकि बॉटनी में इस साल एक क्वेश्चन आया था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 146. The question stated DNA fingerprinting involves identifying difference in some specific regions in DNA sequence called as. So if we see this, even polymorphic DNA is right, satellite DNA is right, and repetitive DNA is right on a rough scale. लेकिन we wanted the knowledge of NCERT to this. So मैंने क्या किया था, हमारा बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हुआ था, तो प्री बोर्ड एग्जाम में we had to pick out lines from NCERT. If even a single word was away from NCERT, we were not awarded marks. So studying for boards actually helps ड्यूरिंग सॉल्विंग नीट। सो ये हुआ, मतलब ये कुछ 3-4 सवाल मैंने डिस्कस किया आपसे। और 2-3 बातें याद रखनी होती है। एक, वी मस्ट नॉट टेक एनी क्वेश्चन टू आवर ईगो, वी मस्ट नॉट गेट स्ट्रक इन एनी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस। और कोई भी अगर कंट्रोवर्शियल सवाल लगता है आपको, तो यू कैन डेवलप योर ओन थियरीज लाइक थियरी ए एंड थियरी बी, and you must see if one of the theories proposed by you is leading to a single correct answer. If it is solving the controversies for you, that theory is right, and accept that theory. So try putting forward your own theories for solving controversial questions. One more last thing I would like to say while attempting the paper is, hopes leke jao, love leke jao teachers ki sabki, but please don't be selfish on the day of the exam, because the moment you try to be selfish, the moment you don't get any question, the whole paper, the rhythm of the whole paper is lost. So please don't be selfish, but carry the hopes of everybody to the exam. So ये paper attempting ऐसा हुआ था। तो final result day, the result day was काफ़ी anxious, and it took around 45 days for the result to come out. So we had lost interest actually. एंड मेल भी मतलब 2 मीडियम से आए थे। पहले मेल आया था रिजल्ट का, और फिर लिंक खुल गया था। एंड रिजल्ट में भी 3 रैंक अनाउंस हुए थे, ऑल इंडिया रैंक और काउंसिलिंग रैंक और जनरल कैटेगरी रैंक। सो वी वर कन्फ्यूज, एंड आफ्टर द कन्फ्यूजन सेटल्ड, we were very happy. I received calls from everywhere, calls from my relatives, calls from my teachers, from all my friends. Everybody was proud, and I was very happy to have completed a journey of NEET. Speaking about some do's and don'ts, the first major do is have all of your documents arranged properly and have a good knowledge where your center is, and no anxiety on that day. The second major do is do only the things which you have been doing all these days. कुछ भी नया करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है, कुछ भी स्पेशल करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। द एग्जाम मस्ट जस्ट लाइक बी अ न्यू मॉक टेस्ट एंड नथिंग मोर और नथिंग लेस देन दैट। टॉकिंग अबाउट द डोंट्स ऑफ द एग्जाम हॉल, please don't think about anxiety. Please don't think being under anxiety, or please don't think of even avoiding anxiety. Just be neutral. Or second main don't is, please don't mingle with people whom you don't know, or just friends. Please discuss your paper after the exam with those with whom you have been discussing already. So these were the do's and don'ts of the exam. Well, this has brought a lot of memories for me. But now it's time for you guys to take action. Apt paper attempting strategy can fetch you your dream ranks and dream colleges. Now you've known my paper attempting strategy. Go and test this out with the new test series available in Unacademy. You can use the code CTWT to get a 10% discount on all of your subscriptions. And I would also like to tag a friend of mine, Priyanshu Jaseja, to share his experiences on the exam day. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you. All the best, and let's crack it.